Colleges all across India started welcoming first year students. And we at Scalar School of Technology recently welcomed 400 plus students. So we thought, why not make a video where seniors will share their top mistakes in their first year of their college, so that you can have an advantage and can have most of the first year of your college, or know someone who have recently joined their college, then this video is especially for you. Let's begin. So I am standing here with the Scalar School of Technology students who have recently completed their first year of their college. These are the seniors, aka the second year students. Some are already doing internships, some are already rocking their YouTube channels. So let's listen from them. What are the mistakes they have done during their first year of their college?
Mistakes I have done in my first year was not being very clear about what to do in my curriculum, like focus on complete DSA part or focus on the complete development part. I realized that a bit late, but yes, I'm clear now.
Balancing DSA and dev would be something I do if I could go back to my first year. I think I focused a bit more on DSA and dev was in tatters, you could say.
Topics like tries and backtracking, and because of that I was not able to do new questions of that topic.
When I started out with DSA, at first I thought that was some easy subject. Afterwards it just became harder for me to grasp, but later on I did work hard and improve upon it. But
there's a thing called as tutorial hell, which is actually true. So if you want to learn to get expert in coding, I would recommend you try to experiment things on your own.
Never finishing all of my projects. I have created so many projects and I have only completed so many of them. You have to list them out on your resume, and it is better that they are complete, and I don't have that many.
so if I was starting again, if I was in my first year, I would be doing more projects.
तो मैं तो यही कहूँगा कि एक प्रोजेक्ट देख लो, या पहले स्किल्स पे ध्यान दे लो, या क्लास में भी ध्यान दे दो, जैसे मैं नहीं देता था। तो आज मेरी हालत तो मुझे पता ही है, तो क्लास में ध्यान दे दो।
तो पहले तो मुझे लगता है कि मैंने प्रोजेक्ट्स बहुत कम किए, नहीं जितने हमको इन चीज़ें सिखाई गई थी उसके बेसिस पे प्रोजेक्ट्स बहुत कम किए। I have lagged many projects. If I would have made multiple projects, then it would have been a grade in my resume. So when it comes to projects, you should make something like first of all like portfolio and everything that actually showcases your fundamental skills. If possible, then you can also make projects which are like very data structure specific, like just make your own database or make your own Git. You can also go for that. But so now making web dev projects are simple enough to get a good internship on any web developer.
Obtaining the CGA, you should only focus on the curriculum that is going on in the class.
क्लासेस में उतना मैं ध्यान नहीं देता था, और उसके बाद लास्ट में आई सॉर्ट ऑफ मक्ड अप।
तो मैं ऑफ्टनली इवेंट्स में नहीं जाता था जो बेंगलोर में हो रहे हैं, एंड जब रिसेंटली मैं एक इवेंट में गया, इट वाज अ लाइफ चेंजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर मी, जहाँ पे मैं जीत भी गया। आई वाज कंपीटिंग विद अ वेरी बिग पीपल्स, एंड उनके साथ काम करके मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव भी चेंज हुआ, किस तरह से चीज़ें शायद काम कर रही हैं या मुझे जो लगती थी।
एंड सेकेंडली स्पोर्ट्स पे बहुत कम ध्यान दिया, जो मोर ऑफ ये दोनों का रीज़न टाइम मैनेजमेंट ही था। सो यस, ये मेरी सबसे बड़ी गलतियाँ थी फर्स्ट ईयर की।
You should always be connected with your family and you should talk to them daily, whether it be on call or on text for at least 2 minutes, because for you it's not a big deal, but for them it's a very big deal because you're their child and you're very far away and you're their kid.
Keep in touch with your family members, like talk to your mother, talk to your father, talk to your brothers, sisters. Like this conversation with them will keep you active in your curriculum and will keep you light without any much stress on.
Sleep is a very, very crucial aspect of your health. If it is ruined, I don't think you can make your career a great thing. So try to manage. You can sleep anytime in the day, but like I would recommend 7 to 8 hours sleep in 24-hour cycle is must.
मैंने अपनी हेल्थ पे इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया क्लासेस के चक्कर में। आई यूज टू स्किप मैनी ऑफ द माई मील्स, एंड रनिंग भी मैंने बीच में मेरी बंद हो गई थी काम की वजह से, जिसकी वजह से आई फॉल इल मैनी टाइम्स, एंड अभी मैं उस पर भी फोकस कर रहा हूँ कि अपनी हेल्थ पे अच्छे से काम करूँ। सो या
After I identified that I already knew many of the concepts that were being taught in the class, I still continued to listen to the class very keenly, and that wasted a lot of time. What I could have done was shown my capabilities to the teachers and asked for exemptions so that I can learn new things. in that time?
Not managing my time properly. So it's a skill that you learn with time, right? Time management. And I remember that having so many tasks at hand, and sleeping was not one of them. So time management is very important.
So it's very easy to waste your time in college because there's so many things, so many people to talk. But your ultimate focus should be your work. You should try to code every day.
मैं एनीमे देख लेता था, ज़्यादा देर पूरे दिन भर एनीमे देखता था, क्लासेस छोड़ देता था, फिर एक दिन पहले पढ़ लेता था कैसे, तो फिर कैसे कैसे पास हो गया डीएसए में.
I used to binge watch a lot movies and series. So I mean, once or twice it's just fine, but you shouldn't go all in, like waste all your time.
So to conclude, several students have done several mistakes. If we club together, starting with programming language, students have shared that pick any one programming language and deep dive into that, which is what we have also shared in our first year college roadmap. There are some students who have faced challenges in doing multiple projects. So because of time management, because of distraction, because of several other things, they got diverted into several things, eventually ended up doing very less projects. So this is the second mistake. And the third is maintaining CGPA or CGR, what we call here. No students have done any mistakes related to maintaining the CGR or assignments or anything. And few students were not focusing on their diet. They were not taking their meals every day because of which they faced some health issues. So there are several mistakes that they have did, and we have shared everything to you. Now it's your time to work on yourself, to become the best version of yourself. If you have any doubts, then please do comment in the comment section. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.